Hi, my name is Pete Kern. I'm calling from Victoria, BC, Canada with my faithful dog Castiel. I'm doing a review of this canvas Skyline double tier 10x12 metal gazebo, and I gotta tell you, it is a game changer. I've had a couple of the cloth fabric gazebos trying to eke out a little bit of extra time in the sun for me and the old mom, but they fill up with water, they rip, they tear, they don't last much in the sun. My neighbors have one of these a couple doors down, and I look at it enviously in the winters. They're barbecuing under it, and just, yeah, it's great. So putting it together, it definitely took me and my sister a little bit of time. Probably went at it a couple hours for a couple of days. Third person makes all the difference. If you got one, I would recommend it, just to hand you stuff up or whatever. Also, leveling it out was really important, just to make sure that you get that base foundation square before you start adding roof panels and stuff. Let's talk about the features. This has what they call rain dampening, noise reduction, and I don't know if you can see it up in there, but there are some felt pads, and this is Victoria, the west coast of Canada. It rains. When we were putting it up, it was raining, it was hailing, it was windy, like 90 kilometers an hour, and this thing held strong. Underneath it, yeah, you could hear the hail for sure. You can definitely hear the neighbors' kids yelling, but the rain was not intolerable at all. My mom could hear us talking, no problem out here. So now I got it set up. You can see right through. This is got the mesh bug netting up. It's really easy to use, really easy to take down, and it keeps the bugs out. They even thought of it for the gap up there by the skylight. Would I recommend this? Heck yeah. Yeah, so to follow up on this, I'd recommend this to anybody who's looking for sort of a 3-season kind of place to hang out and chill. It is really nice. It's large. It's perfect for the pandemic, for a little social distance visiting outside. I would definitely recommend this.